Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with Otonto and McD. Otonto and McD are popular content creators. They recently got married after McD proposed to Utonto a month ago. Yes, I think it was the start of December or the end of November, somewhere there. She proposed and then wahamba wemlobola and also sekamshadile manje. Most people started knowing their relationship after Umekdi was bullied by Facebook people and also some of Twitter people asking about her gender, if he's a man or a woman. I believe it's so confidential because no one shares it, but some people say, "Oh, you transgender," and I don't think if ever Bona they don't disclose that it's any of our business. If he or she wanted us to know, bekazokhuluma asho ukuthi I am trans or I'm a man or what, but then akakhulumi anything. So I think you guys have to niyeke ukubhulisha abantu just to want to know what their agenda is. Even now, there were allegations ukuthi uMcD paid Abu Buhle, Abu Nkosazana daughter, and also Abu MC bakhe iPika nanani bathi ubabhadale ngey'ncathulo, and she then gave us payment notifications to clarify all the rumors ukuthi nje amanga izinto abantu abazikhulumayo. But when it guys, they do look like they have money. I mean, Otonto has a saloon. She built her mom a house. Well, also ayakhanendlu yakhe noMcD. And McD seems like a person or we are elimali. I don't know, guys. What are your thoughts on this? The wedding seemed so nice, and you can see Ogotinje McD enjoyed this more than Utonto. He was or she was prepared Ogotinje. Ngiyamshada lo muntu nisanda lingathandi. Guys, the dresses, and also they invited lot of influencers. I think that's why bahambile bayobiza Itsenalo PI security. I think it's a private investigator security, something like that. Yeah, they also called it Bokgoloma security laphana ngiyanitshela guys. The tent was Imaki. If ever you know Imaki, you know how expensive Imaki is. Even if you're not imvula, Imaki ayingeni imvula. The wedding seemed so nice, guys. And everyone respected the theme. Bailandelili theme. And yeah, guys. Congratulations to them. And what are your thoughts on this? I think it was their perfect wedding because Bayatanda Nabuna, guys. Thank you for watching.